Yeah, you can say, bro.
Yeah. So these product ID and product description, whenever these two fields are filled, then it would show in the APO MAT1 without any issue. If these two fields are empty, then actually we get the product ID, this one, right? Product ID. That is the, if we change the technical one, it is GUID 16 and GUID 21.
Yeah, yeah.
So there is a sync up program given by SAP for this kind of issues. So that we have to run the sync up program, and then these fields will be automatically run.
So you know what is that program? We can
program. It is not exactly tip of mind. I'll share it in the next meeting. That one.
Oh, fine. No,
I just noted that this was actually one of the observations, because I spent a good amount of time on this. Why it was not, because I could not extend any of the materials basically.
Yeah, it's a good point actually. Yeah.
So just because all the forum is there, I'm sharing it.
Thanks for that input.
So you had a situation like earlier there was no EWM, right? And now you are in 1909 or some S4 system. And
so your voice is not clear. Somebody.
Yeah, he's asking. Previously you are into ERP system. Now you are migrated to S4 system, right? That is what he's asking.
Migration was done all. Now the business is already there on the 1909.
Okay.
From past 3 years already there on S4. Now, but now we are just moving to EWM or embedded EWM recent.
Okay.
It is going on now. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, and one more issue I just noted, because actually I was running I was trying to run the physical inventory. I created all the storage bins, and there is a separate activity area I got created for physical inventory. Okay, so when I run this SBST, okay, this storage bin sorting.
Yeah.
Okay, to update the activity area at the bin level. It was only actually somehow only for one storage type that physical inventory activity area is getting updated, and the rest of the bins or rest of the storage types are not getting captured that. So I'm not able to do physical inventory for any of the other storage type bins. Only specific storage type only it is doing, and when I try doing, say for example, this physical inventory sorting again and again by giving that activity area, it was not giving any specific error, but after that run, it was not updating back to any of the storage types, other storage types, except one storage type.
When you execute it, it is showing you any sorting results, or it's not showing you any results?
It is giving result, basically. It is showing those storage types also.
Okay.
But it's not updating. When I go and see that, it's not updating anything over there.
Oh.
Activity area is assigned to the storage type and all. Like, have you assigned the storage types to the activity area in SPRO?
Activity area, yes, it is assigned. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, what happened? I created a separate activity area for each of the storage type.
Yeah, but on
top of that, a separate activity area for, especially for the inventory. Say like actually say my storage type is
Masterdata. You can go to Masterdata.
Yeah. Could you?
Okay, I'm checking something. You want me to go to activity areas?
Okay. I thought you were about to show this. Okay.
No. I'm just checking whether he maintained this config for internal warehouse process. Physical inventory.
Physical inventory, yeah.
Yeah. Physical inventory. Yeah. So he's saying that he created this area. Sorry, not this. I think warehouse number specific. Yeah. Have you assigned like how many areas you created like this?
See, now that area actually, say for example, activity area is only 0001, and only physical inventory area is only 0001. So these areas are only one area. It is basically activity area.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is dedicated for the physical inventory.
Yeah.
Right. And if you go back. Define number, specify physical inventory, that one. And it is again currency, and this thing is assigned over here.
Yeah. There are so many things actually. Yeah.
And just back.
In your storage bin, if you switch to the activity area tab, that INVE is not getting.
It has to
INVE is not INVE with 0001. Say for example, INVE with 0001 is not coming there.
So we don't need to check in physical inventory activity area. For you, the issue is even the activity area is normal activity area is not showing in that bin, right? Yeah, so we need to check in that aspect. Can check.
Yeah, activity.
So this
that's supposed to be main bin.
There is no activity area for that bin. Let me check for this. So for you, what is activity area? Yeah, what is updating here for you?
So there, see, actually now all the activity areas are there, right? INVE, that STGN is there. For same for me also. INVE, because see now STGN is your storage type, where for that storage type, all different activity areas that were assigned from there, it is taking it.
Yeah.
So now on top of that, what I did, that INVE is actually the main activity area is 0001 for me.
Yeah.
For physical inventory, the activity area is 0001. So in that way, I defined it, but it is actually that INVE 0001. If it is there, then this be, and that is, and if it is updated here, INVE and activity area is 0001. Then it will actually accept for the physical inventory for the storage bin.
So for right now, what is there for you here? What is the entry?
Okay, so say my storage type, it say for example F001. Okay.
So it is showing F001.
F001, correct.
Then you have to delete the bin sorting completely for this, just only for this one, because already it is there, right? Just go to bin sorting. Let me, for example, //GST. And if I give activity area STGN, okay, and activity INVE, right? Okay, and just delete. Do you want to delete the bin sorting for that? Yes. Now if I go here, refresh. Now this is gone. Now it is deleted. Now again, what I'll do, I'll go. Let's say what is the physical inventory activity area we have? 0001, right? 0001 and INVE. Execute the sorting. It's not taking, I think so. It's not showing any result.
Yeah, so even in your case,
so you need to assign the activity area and configure it. After that only we can run.
Oh, sorry, yeah. That is not assigned, right? Okay, let me try that too. And let's execute it and see what happens. Let's check what is there. Yes.
Yeah, so here
is the STG and I have not done anything. It should be, yeah. So here I'll copy.
You'll be making one more entry with 0001.
Yeah.
Correct. So even, yeah, I guess I did this entry. Say, for example, this entry, I made it.
And the sort, here also we need to do something. Let me check once. What is there here?
No, that is a sort sequence. How you would like to put away, like zigzag?
Yeah, but is something here also the storage type is assigned, right?
Yeah, that is also needed. It is actually.
This is also should be there, right? For 0001 INVE, I need to maintain this STGN, right? Then only.
Yeah.
And the sort sequence is maintained. Okay, now let me run the sorting. //EWM/BST. Okay, for activity area 0001 and INVE. No, still it's not. let me put this blank. Sometimes this will cause an issue.
Do we have bins genuinely for that storage type?
Yeah, I have one bin, right? At least that one bin should be.
Oh, okay, okay.
We remove this blank. This one I don't understand this sorting, alternating. What is this? I need to, maybe in one class we need to ask Raja bro to explain this sorting, how it exactly works. Yeah, this, let that be. I think it's not taking it all. SDGM, execute. Yeah, it is coming for SDGM.
Yeah, now it is actually coming for activity area SDGM, not.
I have changed it. I just want to check whether it's working for that. But why it's not taking
activity area is assigned to activity INV.
Yeah, I have did that. Right?
Yeah, it is there. It is there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I guess more or less my condition also same thing it is. So even if you try doing, say for example, that bin, right? It will not show it in the inventory basically.
Okay.
Unless actually the bin is got assigned with the inventory activity area. Just add INV.
Nothing is showing actually. I'm not sure it will show in the log or not. Let me check once. No logs.
Is there any other setting? Something is missing. I never come across actually this one. Normally it should not, because the assignments are there. It has to generate automatic.
Not sure.
Fine, actually, like activity definition you have done. Activity to activity area also you have done. Activity area to storage bin, that also you have done.
Maybe in the sort sequence.
Is a consolidation group something to be mandated?
No, not needed. No.
Not required.
No, it's not. It's not showing any results, any sorting results.
For me, it's actually somehow when I ran it, actually it took only for one storage type. There was some actually just temporary same like 5 or 10 storage bins which I uploaded. Only those bins it's actually showing, and rest of the ones are not at all working.
If you have multiple bins, probably it will show or something. As there is only one bin.
Yeah, I have actually multiple bins and rest of at least 3 or 4 storage types I tried. All are having multiple bins.
Actually, we don't have to check physical inventory area to activity area because normal activity area itself is not getting same there.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have any significance, right? Physical inventory activity area.
No, that activity area needs to be assigned to the storage bin. After that, we can check these things and all. If you have any success case, just try to compare it. I think for another activity area, someone could assign successfully.
Sorry, Karthik, what are you saying?
You had a success case, right? For another activity area or something, you were able to assign to that particular bin. So you can compare those two. Like you can compare the activity of yours and this one. Activity and activity area. All those.
I verified. Actually, it doesn't have much difference anything. So, but I'll just re-verify that again. Why it is.
So even if you try to create any new storage type and do the same, also you are facing the same issue.
Yeah, now I tried with all 3 different only one storage. I have total 4 storage types. I took it.
Okay.
Currently, it's mapped, and then bins were uploaded. Out of which 3, out of which actually 1 storage type, it is got picked up, and remaining or not.
Okay, for 1 storage type, it works fine.
1 storage type, it automatically took it. I didn't do anything. I ran the sorting. It just
what
picked
is
up
the storage type role, whether it is a different storage type role and the other ones are different storage type roles?
No, all are basically the same one. Roles are same.
Okay.
Standard, all general, this one.
General storage types. Okay.
General storage types.
We'll ask Raju why this is not working. What is the issue?
Yeah, we can actually see this one because same.
If any answer found, please share it, or we can discuss in next call.
Yeah, sure. I'll just try that one. But this similar kind of issue I saw last time also, but it was actually a decentralized system 9.3. So where all the settings were there, only few storage bins were not at all actually getting updated, or actually it is not coming into the sorting basically. And within the same storage type, remaining bins were coming, and some bins are not coming. Even the sorting is run, still it is not getting the inventory is not getting updated. I guess actually they left those storage bins basically. For what reason it was not happening, no idea actually.
How you created those bins? Whether you created through the template or you created through upload or LS01?
Okay, good question. So it is now current issue is basically that I uploaded it through the upload program.
For success case also you uploaded through the program only, right?
Success case also through upload only.
Try with the template ones. Give the aisle number, stack number, level number. Or you just don't give that. You already you have not given that. You have maintained the storage type only, so it would have considered all those things. So you just try to generate the bins through this template itself, and then try the sorting for those bins. Check if that works. then we can compare and check why it is not working for your case. Because I usually prefer this one only, like just generate the storage bins through the template. And then if we do a bin sorting, it has always worked for me.
Yeah, but actually the storage bin upload is quite easier actually when we go for the go live. Otherwise, actually a lot of time again to spend for that template, creating the template.
Easy on the right template, you can just maintain just for first 2 digits are for aisle, second 2 digits are for like that you can mention. You will be generating immediately in 1 second. You can just go to /SCWM/LS11 and then if you just execute the transaction, it will generate all the bins, even 400 bins.
We can generate the bins.
That's LS10, I guess. So.
LS10, sorry.
Yeah, LS11
and
11 is for the
mass change. Yeah.
Mass change. Yeah, correct. Yeah, thanks for correcting.
No, it's okay.
So you can just try with that one.
Yeah. Now, so when you check for any inconsistencies, so check for CHM_log once. Is there any inconsistency, something like that?
But even actually CHM_log, do we normally check it for any of the inconsistency or only the delivery inconsistency?
Basically, the log is for, I think, usually we check for quantity inconsistencies. And also, if you have some inconsistency in the table, a lime table also, you check there only first. That's what I know. That's what I used to do.
What is CHM_log, bro? I'm just aware of CHM_PR of check monitor profile. Is that a transaction? CHM_log?
I forgot. I think SCWM or I think then /SCWM/CHM_log. Yeah, so you can do an ad hoc check here. Like, is there any at the bin level or storage type level or warehouse order processing level? If there are any inconsistencies in the system, it will show. For example, let me go and check for stock and bin. Okay. Usually, we mostly used to do for stock and bin. Just choose this. Show for the warehouse 59 SR.
So stock and bin, what inconsistency it shows? Like actually, it shows the S4 and EWM stock. Does it show?
No. It will check the table entries and it will try to match the table entries, whatever are there and what is showing for us. Now see, there is something error. 3 storage bin inconsistencies updated. HUN stock check. If you go to details, it will tell these 3 bins. Okay, STG, and this is what we are trying to do, right? For STG and only I'm trying to do something. So what is that? No value found for at least inspection lot of inspection ID field. Where there is some inspection, I think I did quality integration or something with this. Yeah, like this, it will show. If you have any issue, it will show here.
For the same purpose, I used to use different transactions. /SCWM/CHM_PRF.
/SCWM/CHM_PRF.
That is check monitor.
That is also PRF, right?
Yeah, I'm aware of that one only.
This is also similar kind of, but I've never used it. How do you use this basically, Karthik?
Here, actually, it was already populated. I don't know how they configured or anything. It was already there. Like whatever you showed in that other transaction, right? CHM_log. All those options were available in this transaction also. Let me quickly check in current system. In my previous client, it was already there. I don't know how they configured. Quickly here. Here also it is already there. Some of.
I think they need to do some.
It seems to be this STGN is here in this current case. This STGN is a quality inspection managed. This one.
I think so. There is something there. It is saying at least a lot or quality inspection should be filled. I think for the product or something I did because not sure.
I think we can add that, like CHM_PRF, we can add nodes newly. Whatever nodes we want, we can add the new nodes newly. So the similar thing only, whatever you are checking here. For what purpose we use is, sometimes in ERP stock check report, the stock will be 0, but in Aqua table, it will show stock is available. That is in available stock in monitor screen, it will show available. So those such inconsistencies, in order to clear, we'll use this.
Okay. And one more is actually log, something which to check the delivery inconsistencies. The same CHM log only? Delivery quantity inconsistency, something, or HU inconsistency?
I'm not sure.
Check monitor profile we use, CHM_PRF, I was saying, right? That in that itself, I could see delivery is there. In there, I can choose delivery and then execute the delivery, and we can remove the inconsistency. So sometimes what happens is, although quality inspection is done, that quality inspection, result of quality inspection document flow would not have added to the document. So that is a kind of document flow inconsistency.
Oh, I think so the same attributes.
Yeah, here it's available, right? The same thing. Yeah. So here you can select the delivery or storage bin or anything, and then you can execute any type of inconsistency.
Okay. Yeah, same thing. But this is locked completely. I don't know why. Like.
You go to change mode. You go to change mode and then.
Okay. Yeah, display mode. Yeah, same transaction, I guess so. I don't know what is the exact difference.
I am aware of this one only, but got to know from you that another transaction is also available.
Yeah, even that. I can see this G check. Okay, but it's not. They configured this. Check.
Okay, monitor profile we need to configure. Okay.
Might be they have assigned somewhere in this, I think so. Somewhere I have seen this profile. Where?
It's warehouse management.
Sorry, Karthik.
No. Whatever we are checking is warehouse management /SEW/mon, that one.
Yeah, but this is not related to that. Somewhere I have checked this check monitor profile. I don't remember exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, somewhere on another day when I was checking for a couple of things, I checked it somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe I think it's. If anyone have any more questions, they can ask, or else we can connect again next week.
Yeah, and just one last quick question. So
yeah,
it's in the RF device. Actually, when we go for this one by system guided queues, say for example, if I have created a queue, inbound queue, outbound queue, and all actually, and then we are directing the warehouse orders or something through the queue if you want to accept it or access that one. Okay. So say if it's, say for example, in the test system, when we do it is one warehouse order, two warehouse orders, we know that actually what we are doing it. But actually, once it is moved to production, there will be hundreds of orders will be getting created. Yeah. So when we go to the inbound queue, say for example, it won't show, which warehouse order the resource is being accessed actually, because one resource is got assigned with one warehouse order. So what warehouse order he is doing it actually simply shows the product detail and all that stuff. And he has to, and it take him to the different transactions, and that gets complete. Okay. So any idea like how that works? Say for example, if it is a system guided solution, if you have to do that, and resource will ask, right? Actually, what I'm doing it. Though it is a system guided, but actually what it is, which step he is doing. Say I'm doing a POSC, multiple steps are involved in that. And the moment when he log in, actually it shows some information, this product, that product, and bin. And the user may not be able to identify, because we know that actually which bin it is, Okay, so based on that bin, we can identify from this bin you are doing this activity and all. But end users who are actually working in the warehouse, they don't know anything at all. So how they, at least even the document reference is also not there. And it's saying that it's system guided. And which step it is doing, what they are doing it.
You want the system to display whether he is doing put away operation or picking operation or internal operation, like that it should display. Is that what your requirement is?
No, that already it is showing. Say for my queue itself, I am saying it as actually inbound or outbound or internal. So they, once they say, for example, when they go to the system guided in the standard, they will enter whether it is inbound, then they will enter inbound. Okay. And within that inbound queue, if 3 users are there, which user are getting actually which warehouse order and who is doing what?
Okay, warehouse order number is missing. Is that what you're seeing?
So warehouse order, say, I'm actually initially I'm giving a paper also in their hand. I will print a paper and then that paper we are giving it. But say within that queue, say for example, if more than one resource, say 2 resources are there, which resources got getting what, even how to know that at the resource level 2 different resources are being used that.
If we can check in system level, it is available in desktop. We can check that which resources assigned to which warehouse order we can check. And also in physically, the label would be stuck in the handling unit or anything. So there the warehouse order number will be printed. In my client and all, actually warehouse number will be printed against that barcode. The barcode will be available and also the warehouse order number also will be available. So they can view the warehouse order number through that, so that they will get to know this is the warehouse order that he's processing. Like that, he will get to know.
Yeah, otherwise, that is actually the one which you are saying. Sorry, go on.
In RF device, if you would like to see that warehouse order number, then it is very much feasible. We just have to take the field and then we can make it up available. Like we can show it in the RF device. In that screen, there is a screen manager, display profile and all those things, right? So there you can also set the field, like if in this particular screen, if this particular field of warehouse order number should be shown to the user, that you can configure, like you can just make a setting in that RF and then you can show it to the user. That is possible. If you want, you can show it.
So
RF configurations are there, right? Their fields are available. That fields you can just enable in that display screen. That's it. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. Right. Yeah. So one is basically when they scan the warehouse order, then it is actually put away by the warehouse order. It is not again a system guided solution like this as per standard. They are saying that. So whenever they say that it is a system guided, then simply the user will log in into the queue and then queue will direct him. That is doing also. But now what it is actually, how, so what, because when they are doing it in a bulk mode, correct, it's not actually 1 order, 2 order, so many orders would keep on coming. So which order they have finished it, actually which order they have not done it, that's actually practical point of view, how it would be helpful. I'm just thinking that one, because we need to convince the user also. Say for example, what is this this specific feature being provided by.
Yeah, correct. So as you say, if the system provides the warehouse order information that the user is processing, it would be helpful and it will be like clarifying the user more on what exactly he's doing.
Even so actually after getting the thing is in standard SAP, after getting the any of the task confirmation or something, even it will not given any message also. It just simply no further warehouse orders like that. So what happened? Just he had gone through one specific material. He scanned source and destination based on the profile I created, and he has finished something. But what task he has finished, whether it's actually, did he finish the first task, second task, third task, actually, or say if in line, if you have so many orders are there, that keeps on showing. So he will not have any track actually what he is doing, what he has done, how much he has done. User also needs some, okay, because anyway paper is there, but paper is there, then actually something is showing on the screen. There will be no reference, or actually now I'm not sure, something it's missing in my system, because I just configured something and saw that, okay, that did not fully completed actually.
Yeah, as you say, once the task is confirmed, it doesn't show any message. But if it is not confirmed, if it gives any error, that error message will be shown. So like that user can understand like why probably they might have avoided is like unnecessarily one more transaction will be shown to the user, and the user has to click OK button, and then he has to go to the next thing. So for just for avoiding the extra clicking of one button.
Correct. So it's a default thing they have mentioned. That's correct. Actually, just for the reducing the number of clicks and all. Correct.
That might be, that is just my guess, like that is probably the reason why they haven't given the message, successful message. That's it. The error message alone they can see.
But here you are saying actually some of the fields to be enabled. Where can we do that?
In the menu itself, I'm checking. Where is that, Karthik? The enable of, I'm just checking.
Okay, just go back. I'm not that much handy.
Yeah, in
steps in logical.
In the menu manager, we can change the
menus, but steps in logical transaction. Go to there. There actually fields will be available. I guess I forgot actually. Here we can see the fields and all. Logical transactions, validation process, function code. The steps. Here somewhere in these things only we can see the field actually.
Okay.
Logical transaction or somewhere I am not that much handy with this, but we can maintain that.
Okay.
Logical go to logical transaction step, right? Under logical transaction step is there, right? So there I think I found out that. Here just select any one of the.
Yeah.
Go to logical transaction step. No, not
third one.
Third.
Define logical transaction step.
Okay.
I think here the next step and those things and all, it will show the field name. I guess not so sure about it. Just we can check that. Next step in in the middle of the screen. So, next.
Define inter-transaction flow. Huh?
I'm not much into this, bro, so I'm not that much aware of this. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting another call. Excuse me.
Yeah. Okay. Even if anyone have any questions, or it's already 12:30 also. Well, yeah, 12:46.
So we drop off someone then next week.
Yeah, I think it's already 12:45, right?
Yeah, 12:40.
Yeah. Maybe yeah. Thank you everyone for joining today. Yeah.
We'll
meet again next week.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I'll forward this recordings to Raj. If someone needed, this will be uploaded in the YouTube.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you. Thanks, Karthik. Bye. See you.